to share with you the happiness that I get while doing my own business. I started my career in 2012 with NJ India Invest Private Limited, which is a mutual fund distribution company. And for that, I would like to thank my uncle for his support and encouragement. He is the one who introduced me to such a wonderful field. He is agency manager in NJ India Invest. So, after clearing 12th, I opt to pursue CA. I cleared the entrance exam, but post that journey stopped. I couldn't clear the next level. Then I realized that if I do only BCom, then I won't get any quality job offers. So I need to pursue something more than that. Then I took advice from my uncle. He suggested me to go for CFP certification. And friends, 2012 was a very successful year for me because I completed my graduation and CFP certification in the same year. So friend, today I am certified financial planner. It's a great feeling to have CFP certification. And here I have given some more benefit of CFP certification. Professional qualification. You are the part of CFP global brand. It enhances career and employment opportunities. You can do fee-based advisory services. Broaden your horizon. As a CFP practitioner, you can broaden your horizon. Like as a CFP practitioner, you can do financial planning, investment planning, insurance planning, tax planning, everything. Then differentiate yourself. You are the different than any other advisor because you have knowledge, skill, ethics. Your clients are more satisfied because they feel that they are in the right hand, right? So why I have chosen this business venture instead of job? Because I always wanted to be independent. मुझे किसी और के लिए काम नहीं करना है. And I have heard that businessmen are very passionate about what they do and will do everything possible to turn their vision into product and services so that rest of the world can enjoy. हम जब किसी के लिए कुछ काम करते हैं, किसी के लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड करते हैं, वो जो सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, वो कुछ अलग ही होता है, right? So how I acquire my client? हम लोग बहुत सारे corporate presentation करते हैं. We do stall activity in corporate, and also we do station activities. There we keep stall. We invite people to visit our stall. Then we do leaflet activity near school and college area. So from that activity we get client. And now let's see how I interact with them with financial planning. जब भी मैं किसी न्यू इन्वेस्टर को मिलती हूँ, तो मैं उनको पावर ऑफ इक्विटी एंड गैप का प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाती हूँ. वो देखने के बाद they feel that it's something great. हमने आज बहुत लेट किया फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग स्टार्ट करने में. So we need to start from today. Then हमारे मोटिवेटर गुरु है हमारे टीम में. वो एक एग्जांपल देते हैं. आज आपको वन डे के लिए कहीं बाहर जाना हो, तो उसके लिए आप ट्रेन या प्लेन का टिकट तो निकालोगे. फिर आप टिकट काउंटर पे जाते हो, तो आप टिकट के लिए डिमांड करते हो, तो क्या आपको टिकट मिलेगा?
मिलेगा, ज़्यादा प्राइस देना पड़ेगा.
लेकिन उसको पता ही नहीं आपको कहाँ जाना है और कब जाना है, तो आपको कैसे दे सकता है वो टिकट? No. First you have to know na where you want to go, then only you can offer if available or not. Yes. So जब तक आपको पता नहीं where you want to go in life and when you want to reach there, how you can do your financial planning? You have to find your why and when. Then only you can reach to your destiny. So after that I gather their personal information and develop their financial plan so that we can discuss their future goals. I analyze and evaluate their financial status. Then with the help of that data, I generate financial plan. It is like roadmap to achieve their financial goals. And then after that, I recommend them investment product. Next is implementation of financial planning. My mutual fund distribution has designed a very good concept that is Sampurna Suraksha, where we can provide all insurance cover to this insurance like term insurance, personal accident, health insurance, critical illness, home insurance. This is required. Without that, you can lose your money, valuable money. And then is wealth creation. जो भी goals हमने decide किए, like child education, child marriage planning, retirement planning, for that long-term goal, we need to start SIP and lump sum investment to achieve that goal. And the most important part is next, that is review. जो आपने पीछे किया है, उसका review लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. रिस्क कवर रिव्यू, जिसने 1 साल पहले 1 करोड़ का टर्म इंश्योरेंस लिया था, लेकिन आज उसका इनकम लेवल बढ़ गया, सो ही नीड टू टॉप अप हिज टर्म इंश्योरेंस. देन गोल ट्रैकिंग, जो भी गोल्स हमने डिसाइड किए एंड इंश्योरेंस उसके लिए जो SIP एंड लंप सम इन्वेस्टमेंट जो सजेस्ट किया, दैट आर परफॉर्मिंग और नॉट, or they are with benchmark or not, that we have to check. Then comes with portfolio review. We have designed a very good platform, that is MAS, Mutual Fund Automatic Rebalancing System. जो भी lump sum investment हम लोगों ने की है, whatever market condition is there, so we need to rebalance that because of market is volatile, so that our client will not lose their money. And after sales survey, our business is mostly sales oriented. So जितनी अच्छी आप सर्विस देंगे उतना अच्छा आपको रिस्पांस मिलेगा. They will refer to their relative client or relative colleagues also. So what we offer to our investor, we give them wealth account where he can find his insurance copies, current mutual fund valuation status, and P&L report, and also he can add his existing investment to this account so that he can have all this information at single window. Then online investment platform, he can transact with online platform. He can purchase and sell mutual fund and direct equity through this platform. And one unique option is there. He can switch his existing investment across the AMC. And then comes with इतना सब business के लिए investor के लिए करने के बाद he feel that he is doing or she is doing something more valuable for me. She is giving more time for me. उनको जब लगता है कि I am on the right track and in the right hand, then only he will continue with you. अगर कोई दूसरा advisor आ जाएगा और उसको और अच्छी सर्विस देगा, he can continue with you. So you have to up to the mark with your service. Then come into business development. बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है तो उसको ग्रो करना तो पड़ेगा, तो फॉर दैट यू रिक्वायर मार्केटिंग मटेरियल एंड यूनिक बिजनेस आइडिया सो दैट यू कैन ग्रो योर बिजनेस. बट आई एम वेरी लकी टू हैव with NJ India Invest Private Limited because they provide us innovative market material with branding, social media marketing activity, CRM for effective client services, business management through technology, and we hold weekly mastermind meeting where we can share our ideas, experience, so that gives us a boost to grow our business. So, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? कौन क्यों? सब बनेंगे करोड़पति. जो भी मेरे इन्वेस्टर है और आगे जो भी मेरे इन्वेस्टर बनेंगे, उन सबको करोड़पति बनाना यही मेरा ड्रीम है. And I will easily achieve that. Thank you.
What do you mean by CRM for effective client services?
Sir, we provide a desk wherein they can have their all insurance copies with existing जो भी उन्होंने invest किया है उसका xerox copy and mutual fund valuation report, everything. CRM desk is there.
Okay.
Customer relation management.
What is MAS?
Mutual fund automatic rebalancing system. So automatic rebalancing होता है, जो भी investment किया है उसका after 6 month annual rebalancing.
So is it similar to
PMS.
Aditya Birla, My Universe or something like that?
No, I don't have it, but
No,
MAS
it
is
not.
similar
Yes,
to
yes, I
PMS.
added. It is not. It's to the engine.
Yeah.
It's not. It's to the 80-20 or 65-35 rebalancing and debt and equity as per the market conditions.
Okay, okay. So
And
just
you can have a every 3 months review, or you can have a 6 months review or a yearly review.
so it's a portfolio allocation.
It's a portfolio automatically rebalanced. You have to just say yes,
Yeah.
you want to continue, or you can have a risk appetite adjusted.
Any other question? Yes.
So MAS, you are developing your own software or?
No, please understand. This is as we know that there are two type of model available for distribution. One is that you can attach with direct AMC or manufacturer, and second option is that you can attach with the corporate distributor like NJ or maybe Motilal Oswal. They have also distribution company. So there is an inherent advantage when you join with the distribution organization because they have their platform. So definitely each distribution company will name it differently, but there is an advantage over the direct attachment with the organization or with instead of the attaching to the, there is an advantage with attaching to the corporate distribution network.
The problem of data loss is the biggest problem over there. They directly contact your.
No, sir. It's a.
So please, so here this platform may not be right to discuss what are the benefit and advantage. Yes, last question.
Being a CFP certified,
Yes.
how do you feel when you see that in account statement your broker name comes as an NJ India where your name is not there? How do you
Account
feel as
statement.
CFP?
Sir, we do a portfolio where we have branding with our name, not NJ name. Whatever account statement.
Account statement, the account statement to the investor.
They knows that I am with NJ India Invest Private Limited and.
So we know that there are advantage and disadvantage. So you have to take a own conscious call and take a decision. So there is no
Yes.
right, no wrong. So thank you very much, Rupali. Very good.
Business management and technology.
So now I invite Charmi Shah.